Okay guys, so a lot of people like scrolling through their phones, they like chatting, they like engaging in social media content. So if you're such kind of person, why not make some money while you do this from the comfort of your home? So in this video, I'm going to share with you places where you can find chat messaging jobs from the comfort of your home and where you can earn some money by simply interacting with people. So if it's something you're interested in, please make sure to watch this video to the end. So but before we continue, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, for the past 3 years I've been working from home as a US designer, and on this channel I share my tips, my experiences and job opportunities so you know where to get started. So if it's something you're interested in doing, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to be part of our growing community. So that being said, there are different places where you can find this type of jobs. All you have to do is to have a smartphone and internet connection so you can be able to engage in these jobs. And some of these jobs are going to give you training and you're going to get paid for it, and some will also provide you with equipment like laptop, tabs or phone that you need to get started doing this job. So all you have to do is just to make yourself available and be able to open your mind to learn and be able to implement what you have learned once you're done with the learning. So that being said, the first job we want to talk about is Concentrix. So basically what this company does is to provide various companies or brands with people that can help them resolve things like customer interaction, to be able to understand their customers well and how to serve them better. So on this platform, if you're interested in doing things like troubleshooting, customer interaction, customer service and stuff like that, like resolving issues, like you love to help people, then this platform is a go-to for you. Now the best part about this platform is the fact that they are available in most continents of the world. If you're in Africa, people in Ghana and South Africa, there are lots of jobs on the platform that you can take advantage of and start doing remote. So if you come to the platform, so this is what the platform looks like. This is a place where you get to see the benefits you start to earn as you work with them here on the platform. So they have lots of benefits that you can start to earn. Things like competitive compensation with additional benefits depending on the role, performance bonuses, welcome bonus, referral bonuses when recommending a friend. What it means is that if you're able to bring your friend to join this platform, you can earn some money by doing that. Then you have paid training and coaching. What it means is that once you're on board, they're going to train you, and during the period of training, you're going to receive some payment while you do that. They also have relocation support through work abroad program. So in case you want to relocate, stuff like that, then you're going to have that every support you need from this platform. So this is a very juicy one for anyone who is interested in doing chat support representative jobs for brands. So you might want to check out this website. So if you want to know available jobs, you can scroll down and then you're going to see here where it says see all jobs. Then once you click on it, so you can filter by countries. As you can see, this is only work from home jobs. So here there are lots of jobs, customer support agents from different countries. And if you want to check for your own country, you come down here, then you're going to see a lot of countries that are available here. So for people in Ghana, you click here, it's going to filter Ghana. As you can see, this one is in Accra, Ghana, about 6 openings here right now. And then for people in South Africa, you're going to see jobs. Once you go down, you're going to see here South Africa. They also have 30 job openings at the time I'm making this video. So you see for people in Durban, Johannesburg, Cape Town, you can check this out as well to be able to know if all the job available here will suit you. As long as you're qualified and you have everything it takes, you can apply to this job and then you get started. So on the average, depending on the job you chose to do, you can make anywhere from $18 to $20 per hour doing this job. So if you're interested, make sure to check out Concentrix. So the next platform you want to check out is another one that concentrates on digital marketing and customer representative and customer care services to clients. So if you are somebody that is into social media, then you might want to come on board and be a chat moderator for some of these companies that they work with. So if you come to the platform, this is basically what the platform looks like. This is their career page. As you can see, it says remote centric collaborative culture with a strong DIA commitment. Now here you can see they have been doing remote work for over 20 years and they have over 140 team of creative and intelligent people, and they are available in 33 countries, the United States and 12 other countries. So as you can see, these are the testimonials from people that are working with them, and here are the benefits you start to earn. Now they have paid time off. This is if you have any reason to go off from working, you can still get paid for it. So here are other things you have to learn, especially for being a social media agent. You can click here to learn further about everything. So the basic requirement for this job is that you have to be minimum of 18 years of age and have 2 to 3 years experience in online moderation, engagement and online customer care services, and you have to be fluent in English language or any other language that is required of you, and so many other things here that as you can see. So these are other languages that they may encourage you to know how to speak. for you to stand a better chance. So these are basically how to apply. For people that are in the United States, this is how you can apply using this link. For those that are not, you can also use this link to apply to start working for this company. And the average, you can make anywhere from $14 to $15 per hour doing social media moderation as a social media agent. So the name of the platform is LiveWorld, so you might want to check it out. So the next platform is one that is very popular because they produce a very good phone that almost everyone uses, and this platform is known for making electronic gadgets and stuff like that. So the company is Apple. Apple is always looking for chat advisors, people that can stay at home to manage their customer service. So if you're someone that is into customer care representative kind of job, or you have all it takes to attend to customer in a very friendly and calm manner, you can resolve issues, you can troubleshoot issues, and you can help people generally, then you can consider doing this job as a chat moderator or chat operator for Apple. Now the best part about this job is that they're going to provide you with gadgets you need to be able to do this job. So you don't need to worry, even if you don't have a laptop or a smartphone, which I doubt that almost everybody has smartphones these days. So you might want to check out this job on Apple. So if you come to the Apple website, this is the career page of Apple, and this is what it looks like. Basically, you can see that they are looking for support advisor. You will share your love for technology with others, and that is just the beginning. So there are other things as well you can start to learn and implement while you do this job. So this is basically what you have to go through before you get started. So they have a lot of benefits that you can gain from here, from health and wellness coverage to educational reimbursement if you're a student, and employee pricing on Apple products. What it means is that if you're going to be buying Apple products, you're not going to buy it the same rate with normal people that are not working with Apple. Then charitable contribution matching, Apple stock discount. If you want to buy stock with them on Apple, they will give you discount for that. So these are other things that you might want to know. So if you want to learn more about the opening, come to this place and see other available roles that you might want to check out. So if you're interested, I'll check out this platform, Apple Careers, to be able to get started doing this job. And on the average, you can earn around $24 per hour doing this job with Apple. So you might want to check it out. Now, before we continue with the next website, if you're seeing value so far in this video, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're on the road to 6,000 subscribers. We're grateful to all of you that have been supporting us in one way or the other. We really appreciate you. And if you're looking to make job application fast, we have prepared a template, like 12-in-1 templates, from the process of looking for job to your interview preparation that will help you. They are all ATS friendly. What it means is that even if they run your application through ATS machines, you're safe. And the best part is you can tailor the templates to each job you're going to be applying to. So you might want to check it out with the link in the description below. I also have some freebies that you might want to check out with the link in the description below. So moving on, the next platform we're going to talk about is another one that I have mentioned severally on this platform. This platform has a lot of jobs from different locations where you can find social media agents or moderation jobs on the platform. So when you come to the platform, this is what the website looks like. So you're going to join to be a mod. These are some of the qualities you're expected to have. You have to be passionate, you have to be bold, you have to be united and smart when you do your job. So here are other things you have to learn about. And the reasons why you have to be a mod is that you control your own journey as a freelancer or contractor. You are in charge of your business. Then you work remotely. You pick your own project, like you decide the type of job you want to work on. You set your own schedule, keep your day job, and work with amazing companies, work with amazing people, and of course give back. So these are some of the things you have to learn about. So if you're interested to join as a mod, you click here where it says apply today, and you can look for different jobs from different locations. As you can see, some of these jobs were recently posted. This one was posted 3 days ago, and it's for Korean content moderation. So if you can speak Korean language, then you might want to check out this one. So these are other jobs as well that you might want to consider, so you can be a part of a job as a mod. So in some cases, they need you to be bilingual. What it means is that you should be able to speak 2 or more different languages to be able to work for them. So if you have such skill, then this is an advantage for you. So on the average, you can make $13 to $15 per hour working as a mod on this platform, depending on the job you decide to work on and the type of project you're going to be dealing with. So if it's something you're interested in, please check out ModSquad to get started. Now, there are other platforms like job boards where you can find these chat messaging jobs, and you can find in places like Flex Jobs or Remote Jobs or We Work Remotely or remoteok.com. These are some of the job boards where you can go and search for chat moderation jobs or chat messaging jobs, and you're going to see jobs there if they have there available. So, but the ones I mentioned here are companies that are known for hiring such people. So if you're interested, you might want to check out all these platforms. And if you're looking for other remote jobs you might want to do, please check out this video showing on your screen and other videos that I have created on remote jobs to know where and how to get started. And please don't fail to like if you see value, and subscribe to our channel to be part of our community, and check out the resources we have with the link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.